No matter how many times this holiday rolls around, it's always one of the most fun and colorful holidays throughout the year. Let's hop onto this video with the best Easter gifts and home decor. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Gift Guru. I am Gigi, the Gift Guru. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Now, Easter is one of those colorful holidays, so much fun, so much activities to do. Now, this video is the top 5 gifts or items that you can get this Easter, whether you're celebrating with little kids or you're celebrating the more religious side of this holiday. But hold up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below, what is your favorite Easter character? The ducklings or the bunnies? Comment down below. So we're about to sit back, relax, and you know we're about to get onto this. All the gifts and activities mentioned in this video are going to be in the description box below. Let's go. Of course, we have to start off with one of the most popular things to have and give on Easter, and that is the Easter basket. Now, I know when I was younger, there was only really one type of Easter basket, and that was the woven brown or white Easter basket with the round handle. Nowadays, Easter baskets come in all sorts of colors, designs, shapes, and characters. However, you know when you come to me, you're going to get a personalized basket. And if you're looking to take a different route, how about a candy jar just for the Easter goer? Now, it doesn't matter whether it's your first Easter or your 50th Easter, whether you're just going to hang out around the house, go to church, or go to brunch. There is always going to be a need for an Easter outfit. That first outfit you start off with has to set the bar for the day's activities and fun. Make sure your baby's first Easter outfit is as clean as possible from sun up to sundown, and their outfit is always showing their personality. Now, hopefully, this is the last holiday where I have to talk about safety as far as COVID, but there is no need to fret with these fun bunny and egg masks for adults and kids too. With all of the Easter festivities, it's always fun to decorate your home as well. Start from the outside with this colorful pastel doormat and garden sign. Also, with this throw pillow and sun catcher, the blessings and fun is going to spread from room to room. As you get older, you start to realize the true meaning behind holidays such as Easter. You can always start teaching the true meaning of Easter when they are young. Even if you don't have children in your house or you just want to make sure you keep the true meaning behind Easter alive in your house, these wall decor, throw pillows, and doormat will help you with your mission. Among the activities that are going to be mentioned at the end of this video, there are so many other activities that can be personalized to your child. Whether they like to color, read, or like a good puzzle to work on, these items can have your child or children's name all over it for more fun. Easter has always been a fun and exciting holiday, especially when you were a kid or you have children. Now, sometimes it can be scary, especially when you're celebrating your first Easter. Now, I've seen so many videos of children running away, terrified of the Easter Bunny. To ease your child just into the thought of the Easter Bunny, why not send them a personalized letter from the Easter Bunny? Or if you don't want to do the traditional Easter egg hunt, why not decorate a tree in your backyard or front yard or even a bush for an egg hunt gathering? Or what you can do, I found a toddler-proof method to have your toddler participate in their egg hunt. The point is just to enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones. Remember, giving a gift is more than just opening up your wallet. It is opening up your heart. Be safe out there. Have a happy Easter. Gigi out. One of those fun holidays for kids and when you have children. Ooh, my nose. My nose is itchy. I don't want... Okay, we're good. Okay. Now, sometimes it definitely can be scary, and that is definitely a helicopter going over my building right now. I don't understand why there's so many helicopters out. But wait. Still going. Oh, I think it's done. Are we done? I think we're done. Okay. The Easter Bunny is not the only thing that is hopping to come and see you. Spring and all that she brings is coming too. Make sure you are ready. Check out this video coming up next.